Hi guys, I really thought it was very important to do a video about how to use BakesOnMesh since we updated all deluxe heads to BOM. So first of all, sorry for my English. I know I'm Brazilian and my second language is Italian, so English is very poor. But I will try to do this video. So to do this video, I will be using Clio head because actually is the most sold in my opinion. So this is the pack just how it arrived to you now since it was updated. Well, this one is just the shape that I made, so this don't come on pack, but all other stuff is on pack right now. As you can see now, my avatar is just a system avatar with a system skin, and I'm wearing Maitreya body with BOM relay to activate BOM on body. So when I change the skin on my system head, it will change also on Maitreya because Maitreya now is BakesOnMesh, the one I'm using. So let's start. To the start, we will use Clio head just like Clio BOM head, just like it was the deluxe one. So I will add bento head Clio and bento hood Clio, but both are BOM. You need to pay attention to that because inside of pack you have also the head deluxe and the mesh deluxe. You don't need to get confused to that. Some of you are using the BOM head with deluxe hood and the head is looking messy. Is because the big difference between the BOM Akeruka head and the deluxe Akeruka head is the face mapping. We had to redo the face mapping to fit Second Life UV map. So you can use now the system skins on your BOM head and most part of Omega appliers also. But well, let's start. Right now, my head is BOM because I'm not wearing the alpha, but I want to use it with appliers just like a deluxe one. So I will apply a tone. As you can see, a head show up and my other head became system. This means I need to use alpha head and alpha eyes. These will hide the eyes system and the head system. So now I'm without eyes. Then let's do this. As you can see, there are two eyes inside of Clio folder. Some heads don't have two eyes because was not needed to do a second eyes with a different position. But Clio have two eyes on folder, so we will add, since this head is the BOM one, we'll add the BOM eyes, okay? Clio eyes for BOM version, here it is. We will hide it, and is red. Why is red? Why is red? Okay, it's red because okay, I had applied the BakesOnMesh on it with my other head, the head of BakesOnMesh beta head. Because as you know, the beta head have this option on head to activate BakesOnMesh on eyes. So this was good because I can tell you, if you have the beta head, you can activate also BakesOnMesh on your deluxe eyes. So see, here I have the eyes in BakesOnMesh option version. If I want them normal, I need to click here to apply. So now I detach the head from beta head and I go back for Clio pack. Okay, Clio don't have this option on her head because it's a feature only of beta head. Beta head will no more beta when we are done with all addings we are putting on it, but right now is on beta version. So to look good, we need to wear, like always, brow shape and the shape of head. So it will change a bit. Okay. So now we are wearing Cleo head. Let's put a hair base on it, and she is just gorgeous. Okay, let me stop her eyes from moving because it's giving me headache. This hat I'm using, it was made from Lelutka and is a generic hat. You can purchase it to use in any head brand you have. Okay, so back to Cleo. Okay, now I'm done using Cleo as normal head, and I want to use it like a bacon mesh head. That means applying system skin on it. What I need to do? Well, I need first of all to have a system skin. So let's unpack the system skins of Cleo head. The pack is inside of your head pack. My inventory is a mess, but well, okay, I'm here. And we will add the tone 5, okay? I just added the system skin on it. As you can see, it changed already on Maitreya because like I said to you, Maitreya I'm using a system skin. But the head didn't change it. Why? My head is not bacon mesh yet. Because I need to click on bacon mesh button. Voila! And it's red. Why is red? Because I have the alpha on. So I need to take off the alpha. And my head just became a bacon mesh. But you see the eyes now is showing 2 eyes on it. Because I have the eyes mesh and the system one. Then I need to use the alpha just for the eyes. Here it is. Ta-da! Now I'm using the head as bacon mesh head, and I can use the system skin on it. Okay, so if I want to use, for example, a system skin from beta head because I have it also, I will just add it, and maybe I need some shape adjust, but it will apply. See, don't need even shape adjust, it just look gorgeous. So let's do like this. I put a lighter color. So I have now the head like a bacon mesh. What I can do with it? Well, I can do a lot of things. Let's say I want to use tattoo, okay? I want to use, I have a lot of stuff here. I want to use system. Now I need to find stuff for it. I want, first of all, let me take off the, okay, I'm already using an hair base, and this hair base is a system hair base. I can find it in some of my folder for sure. Okay, Matmi Capelli's hairstyle. As you can see, I'm using a tattoo layer hair base. And I will apply now some system makeup. Okay, let's see. I need to find something. Okay, this is an eyeshadow I made. I'll put it, and it will go to the head, just like if it was a system head. Then I will put another eyeshadow, and it will go over this one, because I can overlay a lot of layers on. See, I have both on head now. Then I want to put, now I can't find things, tattoo, okay, here. Now I will put some tattoo on face, so you can see how many things I can put on my avatar on same time. I don't know where it went. This one, card, the tattoo. Ah, okay, this is not on face, it's on body. Oh, I should have organized myself before. Well, I put some stuff, but as you can see, I'm putting a lot of things on, and nothing is going messed. This was a tattoo, and it applied a sort of skin on body. What is that? Is this one? See, I'll take off. Yeah. Well, you can now play with your tattoos. You know, the one you had already on your inventory from before. I don't know, those one will not look good. Let me try some moles and so kisser. What is that? Those are lips. No, will not look good because was not made for the head. It's different position. But you can see now I'm applying a lot of things on head. Sun baby, what is that? This one I made some time ago, but I don't remember what is because our stuff very old. So I don't even. Okay, see, I have the tattoo on head. I have the hair bars. I have a lot of tattoo overlaid, and they all are going through the head, and no one is messing with the other one. Okay, so I can put a lot of things on head, and they are just fine. And this thing I missed a lot until now, because I missed my tattoos. See, I have also on back. As you can see, I have the tattoo on head, on neck, on back, on arms, and this is only because of BakesOnMesh. So BakesOnMesh is so amazing. You need to play with it. Bye!